with that Jeep in front of us too.
Jeep country.
You doing that movie, Scott?
Yep.
That's awesome.
Drive.
Oh,
I'll
this
take
is
the
kind of a
video.
cool little road out, huh?
This is wicked cool.
Your screen cracked, Christine?
Oh, totally. Totally smashed. Brand new. Yep.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
How'd you do that?
Driveway. Woo!
Wow.
Oh.
Rock the
The
boat, baby.
bumpy baby.
Rock the boat, baby.
If the Jeeps are rocking, don't come a knocking.
Whoa!
Holy sheep shit.
Wow. Wow.
Was that the axle?
What?
The snapping I heard?
I know, right?
Oh, that's probably the shovel in the back.
Oh.
Hey, you know what we did yesterday, guys?
We're like out in the middle of the friggin' moon out
This is
here.
awesome. We walked through West End Marsh yesterday. Have you ever done that?
Yes.
Beautiful.
I think I got Brian in that one.
Oh, did you? Oh, that's great.
Nothing's going through though.
This is a huge ride out.
This is great.
Yeah, I mean, we saw it from our walk.
Really?
Yep. All the this is where a lot of people hang.